a very new day to you. Jai Mata Di, and this is day 2 of our Navratri series which is going on. So if you don't know and if you've not watched my previous video, so each day I'm getting some beauty hack which will bring back the beauty in your life. So do continue watching. Let's uncover the beauty secret for today, which is a Hydra mask, which is excellent for your face, skin. This Hydra mask is packed with antioxidants which not only give you a radiant glow, but your skin's elasticity and suppleness will also increase. So we just have to take a few ingredients from our kitchen and you're good to go. So let's uncover the beauty secret with a Hydra mask, which is beautiful for your skin and radiant you inside out. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon and get notified for every video that I put. Ingredients are there for today's mask are very simple and easy and readily available in your kitchen. So let's make use of this to brighten our skin and give it the oxygen and blood circulation that it needs. We have taken a banana, a fresh banana, which is a great source of vitamin and minerals. It helps to moisturize the skin. Clean container, mash about half a ripe banana into a smooth paste. See that there are fewer lumps formed, less elasticity, and moisturize it completely. So banana does all that for our skin. So next we've taken a beetroot and we are peeling the skin of the beetroot. Beetroot actually hydrates and brightens your skin, boosts collagen production and helps repair the skin damage. Also helps reduce dark spots and pigmentation. And we are grating the beetroot now, and I'll be squeezing the juice to get the juice of the beetroot. You can also use the beetroot powder which is available. So here is a fresh juice. After this we'll be adding honey, which is a humectant, and it will add extra radiance and smoothness to our face. So adding 3 to 4 drops of honey, which is again a natural ingredient. To this we'll also add glycerine. Here we need to mix all the ingredients thoroughly. So I'm giving it a thorough mix so that all the ingredients are mixed evenly for a nice mask. So next up, I washed my face very nicely and dried. So now we are going to apply the mask. Here I have used my hands. So of course you'll get a little messy, but that's okay. If you want good things on your face, they are always get a little messy. Never mind, what it will do to our skin, to our face will be something else. So yes, so we've applied this on the face now, and just massage it with your hands in a spoon which I had kept in the freezer for about an hour, and then for that very cool sensation I'm rubbing it, and then slowly with the help of the same spoon I am kind of removing the mask. Do you see a natural glow there? A natural sheen, a natural glow on my skin, which is very, very visible now. So that's the magic of this Hydra mask, which is made at home, simple ingredients from your kitchen. So I hope you enjoyed it, you liked it, you have seen the difference. So I am not washing my face, scooping it out a little more till the entire red thing comes out, and then only I am going to wash my face. So this is when I have washed my face, and as you can see the radiance and the glow on my face, the redness, the pink cheeks, just see my skin is glowing, guys. So do try this and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, love you all.